Hello, everybody. I'm come from TestSmart company. We have a sales office in Germany and the companies in China. And our main product is KVM. KVM, the key point is that we use one keyboard and one mouse to control more computers. Now I'll introduce you a new product. Is the dual monitor KVM. As I show you here is a two input, and each input has a two singular channel, and it has also two output. It's the similar as like you have a laptop and put a one monitor, and here with our product, you can use two computers and to control and to show you two monitors, and also you can use like print and the keyboard. In this product, its input is HDMI. In our case, we have also different as input like a DP. So maybe not here, like a DP as input, and also like a Type-C. So if you want to get more information, please visit here www.testsmart.com. Thank you.